Welcome to Furoshiki tutorial. I will show you how to make a drawstring bag using furoshiki. Spread the furoshiki wrong side up, right side down. And I will call this corner A, B, C, and D. Place an item in the middle. Take corner A and B. Tie once, just once, not a square knot. Take C and D. Tie once, again, not a square knot. So I have a corner A and D that used to be over here. I'm going to tie them into a small square knot. And make sure you tie them correctly so it won't come loose when you're using it. This is corner B and C. They used to be over here. Again, tie these in small square knot. And that's it. When you pull, the opening on top gets smaller and you can loosen it to take the things in and out. And again, when you pull, the opening on top closes like a drawstring bag. Just once, not a square knot. One more time. Furoshiki, wrong side down, right side up. One more time, that's wrong. And you can loosen the middle. Oh, jeez.